One of the biggest ways to growing your wealth is by investing in stocks and ETFs. And what if I tell you you can actually start investing in the Ghanaian Stock Exchange right at the comfort of your home without going out to any stock broker or to the banks to buy stocks? You can actually make thousands of Ghana cedis or even millions of Ghana cedis if you invest in stocks and also invest in stocks consistently. And yes, this process I'm about to show you has been tested by myself. I've gone through the process of registering and actually investing in it because it took me about a month to actually create this video because I needed to test for myself and verify to you guys if everything works perfectly. And this broker's website and app I'm about to share with you is actually a registered broker listed under the Ghana Stock Exchange and the Security and Exchange Commission Ghana, and they are actually confirmed by MTN Ghana because I actually found this link on their mobile money short code as at June 2024. So before I get into how to invest in Ghana Stock Exchange, these are the few things that we are going to talk about. How to register on this website and how to buy the stocks on this platform. And the bonus part is I'm going to show you the stocks that I have really bought and what I think is going to make you a lot of money in the near future. So if you really want to learn how to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange, then make sure to stick to the end of this video and let me know in the comment section what you think and subscribe if you are new here. So now let's get into how to buy shares on the Ghana Stock Exchange. And first we need to get a stockbroker, which I'm going to use IC Securities. They're actually registered under the Ghana Stock Exchange Partners. When you go on the Ghana Stock Exchange website, you're going to find them there. And they are also registered under the Security and Exchange Commission Ghana. And you can also find them on the CSD, which is the Central Securities Depository. So the Central Security Depository is more of an organization which makes sure that your investments are put on the right place and are put on the right shares by the stockbroker. So all these three government bodies actually make sure that your investments are safe. So before you invest on the Ghana Stock Exchange, you have to make sure that the stockbroker you are choosing is legit and are registered under these three government bodies. So without wasting much time, let me show you their website, which is ic.africa. So you can register on their website. But with this one, I'm going to use the app actually to show you how to register and make the trades. So IC Africa is a financial body that also have other investment options like the mutual funds, which is called the IC Liquidity. I'll talk about this in another video. So let's dive in straight into the app and show you how to buy your stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange using the IC Wealth app. I'm not sponsored by IC Wealth. I actually found their website on the MTN Momo Finance button. So when you use the *170, you're going to actually find this option on the investments part. So let's dive straight onto this app and show you how to trade on Ghana Stock Exchange. Okay, so let's go straight onto the app. So download IC World on Google Play Store or App Store. It's called IC World by IC Group Limited. So I'll click on open. I've already downloaded it. So on the app, you need to click on register to register if you've not registered. It's a very simple and easy way to get access to the platform. So I'll click on login. I already have an account with them. So on the app here, you can see my balance has been hidden. You can click on the eye icon here to bring out your balance. So IC Securities is not only for trading stocks, you can actually use it for investing in mutual funds. So over here, you can see we have IC Liquidity Fund. So they have an mutual fund that you can actually invest in, which is around 10% as at June 2024. So to trade your stocks, you go to Trade Live Portfolio here, and you can see the list of companies that are on the Ghana Stock Exchange here. All you need to do is to click on the tab here to live, and it will take you to their Trade Live platform. So you can see I already have a balance of 200 cedis that I added funds. So I added funds through this side. You can select the portfolio, which is Trade Live Portfolio, then enter the amounts and enter the payment gateway that you want to use. So under the Trade Live, you can see a lot of companies in here. We have Access Bank, we have ADB, we have GCB. We even have the new lithium company that was introduced recently. So there are so many companies in here, about 36 companies in here. You can actually invest in any one of them. You purchased one of the shares in here, which is 20 shares of LGH, which is the lithium company. I bought it around 808 cedis for 20 shares, which is not really bad. So if you want to buy a stock, all you need to do is to click on, for example, if you want to buy MTN shares, you scroll down and you find MTN here. So you can see MTN shares right here is 1.8 Ghana cedis. So if you want to buy MTN shares, you click on it, buy. So there has been some uptrends in here. As you can see, it's right now 1.81. It was around 1.36 earlier this year. So you can buy like 1,000, 100, 500, any amount that you want to buy and leave it for it to grow. So when it gets to, let's say, 10 cedis, you multiply it by the amount of shares that you've bought, which is going to make you a lot of money in here. So if you want to buy, let's say I want to buy 50 shares. So you can see here they're saying my balance is not enough because I need about 98 Ghana cedis to do that. So I'm gonna go back and go buy 30 MTN shares. So I'll buy only 30 shares, then I'll click on proceed, which is going to be around 60 cedis, but I'm going to pay some charges here for 1.49. So 30 MTN shares is going to be 61.19. Then I'll click on submit. So you can see it's fetching market data, and you can see I have a notification that is saying that my order has been submitted successfully. So now I have bought my MTN shares. All I need to go to is go to history. Then you can see I have MTN and I also have the lithium company in here. So when I scroll to the right, so I have 30 shares for MTN and 20 shares for the lithium company. This system is mostly manual because it has to go through IC securities before it goes to the Ghana Stock Exchange. So it's going to take some few days for them to activate it. So don't panic if you see pending here. It doesn't mean that your money it's not activated. It's going to be activated. So you actually receive a message from them that you have successfully placed your order, and your name and your details will be provided in here. So you can see my equity now here is MTN Ghana and the quantity is 30. So this is the easiest way to buy stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange here. I'll go back to the app in here. So anytime I want to see the prices, I can actually select the stock that I want to take, and it will take me to the market. Then I can check on any of the stocks in here. So if you want to see the upward and downward of any company, you can just click on buy. And so you can see here Cowbank was around 55 pesos. Now it has dropped to 35 pesos. So there are so many factors that constitute to the reduction of a stock price. It can be the performance of the company. It can also be the trust people have for the company. But if you really believe in a company that you want to invest in, I think you can just invest in them and hope that your investment grows with the company. If you really want to learn more about stock investment, I have my stock investment course in the link in the description below. You can check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button. Let me know the stock that you hope that it grows in the near future and make you a millionaire. I believe in you, and you can start growing your money with stock investment. And if you believe in the Ghana Stock Exchange, then let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and make sure to smash the like button for more content like this.